Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jebas, a quick and easy to grab paneer snack that will surely amaze kids and one of the best appetizer that's crunchy, delicious and addictive, which is called as paneer popcorn or even nuggets. To make the job easier, have all the ingredients measured and ready. Take 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida in a large mixing bowl, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder or paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves or parsley, and mix them until they are well combined. For the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com and I'll leave the link in the description box for you. Combine 300 to 400 grams of paneer cut into small bite-sized cubes with this powder. I've taken 300 grams of paneer. For the best results, please use fresh and moist homemade paneer. Toss the paneer until the spice powder gets coated all over the paneer cubes. Transfer the powder-coated paneer to a plate. To the same bowl of spice mixture, add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, a teaspoon of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of yogurt or curd, and mix this well using a spoon or a fork. Then add 1/4 cup of water and again mix it well into a thin batter. This dish is inspired from the popular KFC chicken popcorn. It is made with paneer for the vegetarians or paneer lovers. Even though the name of the dish sounds extremely fancy, it's damn simple to make. If the batter is thick, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water and mix it again. We should get the batter a little thinner than your regular dosa batter consistency. If it's still thick, add a tablespoon of water, and this is the exact consistency which we need. Please try this recipe and share your experiences in the comment section below. Transfer a small batch of the powder-coated paneer into the batter. Coat the batter on all sides of the paneer. Drain the excess batter and transfer the paneer to the bowl containing a cup of breadcrumbs. Use panko breadcrumbs for best results. Basically, using panko breadcrumbs to coat the paneer twice prevents the paneer from being exposed to the hot oil while deep frying. For the first layer coating, roll the paneer in the breadcrumbs on all sides. The panko will be flaky and look silver white in color. This panko breadcrumbs gives a crispy texture to the paneer. Though paneer is packed with health, store-bought paneer might not do enough good to you. This is because it contains citric acid and other additives which is not good for your health. For the second layer coating, cover the paneer in the breadcrumbs for 5 minutes. See how the paneer is well coated with the breadcrumbs? Now transfer it to a dry plate and repeat the process with all the paneer cubes. The best part of this paneer popcorn is that they can be prepared ahead and can be stored in an airtight Ziploc cover and can be refrigerated up to a month in a freezer. I am transferring half of the crumbed paneer cubes in the Ziploc pouch to refrigerate, and we can fry them whenever we desire. It's done, and I'm going to pop it into the freezer now. For the popcorn sprinkle powder, I am taking 1 teaspoon of pepper powder in a small mixing bowl, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix this until they are well combined without any lumps. This sprinkle is what makes the dish irresistible. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications about my new uploads. Our popcorn sprinkle is ready. Keep this aside. Heat the required oil in a deep pan on a high flame. Dip the crumb-coated paneer one at a time and fry on a medium to low flame. Flip the paneer occasionally and fry until they are golden on all sides. The best part of this paneer popcorn is they remain crunchy even after an hour. It can be served as an evening tea time snack or even as an appetizer in a party. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Our paneer popcorn is nice and done. Drain the excess oil and transfer it to a plate lined with tissue paper. Look how golden and crispy it is. While it's still hot, transfer them to a small mixing bowl. Please follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Sprinkle a teaspoon of popcorn sprinkle that we made earlier. Toss the popcorn so that it's coated with sprinkle on all sides. I'm 100% sure that you'll love this dish just the way I did. You can see it's crispy and crunchy outside, soft and moist inside. See? Also, you can see it has absorbed less oil. This is what makes the dish unique and lip-smacking. Serve this hot with tomato ketchup or green chutney or even with garlic mayo. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe, and until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye-bye.